Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to activate Siri's head gestures on iOS 18. First, navigate to the Settings app and find the AirPods section. Here, toggle the head gestures option to enable this feature. This hands-free method allows you to respond to notifications and manage calls by simply nodding or shaking your head. A nod will accept a call or confirm an action, while a shake will decline a call or dismiss a notification. Once you've activated the feature, iOS 18 offers a guided walkthrough to help you familiarize yourself with the gestures. This ensures you can confidently use the feature without confusion. The walkthrough explains how to perform the gestures correctly and outlines the actions associated with each one. The head gesture controls integrate seamlessly with Siri. When Siri reads out notifications or announces incoming calls, you can respond without saying "Hey Siri" or pressing any buttons. This enhances convenience and facilitates a more natural interaction with your device. The introduction of head gestures reflects a trend towards more intuitive technology, allowing for hands-free interaction that is particularly useful when your hands are occupied. It also provides a discreet way to engage with your device, increasing accessibility for users with limited mobility. By enabling head gestures in the AirPods section of the Settings app and completing the guided walkthrough, you can easily manage notifications and calls, enjoying a more intuitive and accessible experience with Siri on iOS 18. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.